We kind of came up with this idea to give people a much needed break and hopefully bring some smiles to their faces as well. So through all of that in the months leading up to it, we came up with this idea to have this plane brought to Disneyland and then not just stop there. We wanted to, although it's only one charter, we did want to bring people the ability to travel after this. So that's where the idea with 180 tickets every month through the end of 2025 came about, so that all families impacted will have the ability to go see their family. They'll be able to come to Disneyland if that's what they want to do, or visit any other family friends. This weekend has been incredible, magical, I should say. It's really been a great opportunity. Just seeing everybody, seeing their smiles, it's something that we really haven't seen in a long time. And so, you know, it's really heartwarming to see everybody here and, you know, just kind of have that breath of fresh air after everything that went on.
I think the biggest thing I took away from it was the heartfelt feelings from everyone. There isn't a single family that's been awarded that wasn't like very appreciative, very thankful, constant emails and calls. Some of them have come in just to say yes, they're to accept the email that they were chosen. They were cried to us, text messages, emails, so it's just overwhelmingly appreciation on my end, but it was a beautiful scene on the flip side as well. It's my biggest honor to be able to give back to my own community. It's something that I seek a lot of pride in, and I'm very, very thankful just to be in the position that I am to give back. There's still beauty in it all. There's life to everything after the darkness that we've suffered or that we've been through, and there's still people who care about us enough to put the effort and energy to make sure that we can enjoy ourselves.
I was really hoping that we would get to come on this inaugural trip because Disneyland is my favorite place, our favorite place, and my three youngest children have never been. And I thought that it would be a nice experience, a nice place for us to get away and enjoy some family time. And honestly, I'm okay just being here with my family, and just seeing them enjoy it is what I'm really looking forward to and enjoying so far.
I'm a father of four, and I have 2 jobs, and with sports and all of that, we're just like incredibly busy. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to unplug and put a pause into the daily routines and come spend time with my family. And that's why I actually, you know, the number one thing I really wanted was just to see my kids have fun and just to see the smile on their face and just to have that joy.